Today let's learn how to brew a beautiful pot of blooming tea. It's simple to enjoy a delicious cup of freshly brewed flowering tea. Follow these simple directions and you'll soon reap all the benefits of blooming tea. You'll need a large tea kettle with 4 cups of water, a heat-resistant teapot or large clear mug. Borosilicate glass is recommended. And you'll also need 1 blooming tea ball. Sugar or sweetener is optional. Remove your TeaBloom from its sealed packaging and place the tea ball in your empty glass mug or teapot. Heat your water on the stove to 180 degrees. Water boils at 212, so your water doesn't need to be boiling before removing it from the heat. Pour the hot water over the TeaBloom. If you used a mug, you won't be able to use all 4 cups of hot water, so place the excess water aside. Watch the TeaBloom unfurl from its tiny ball into a beautiful flower. This usually takes only 2 minutes. Let it steep for another few minutes before drinking. If you steeped your flowering tea in a mug, or if you brewed it in a pot and will not be drinking at all, carefully remove the hot TeaBloom and then set it aside. If you leave the bloom in contact with hot water for too long, it could change the taste and make it too bitter. Now sit back and relax with your perfect cup of blooming tea.